Hey everyone, as you can see, my channel has only 2000 subscribers, but surprisingly, I am making a lot of money on YouTube. Last month alone, I earned $10,000, which is a very good number. Today, I want to share some tips on how you can do the same, even with a small subscriber count. But before starting this video, I want to show something. As you can see, this video has only 2000 views, but I earned $344 in this video. And this another video, I got 480k views and I earned $19,000. So without wasting time, let's get started. To earn more money from YouTube, we need to four things in mind. Number one, make videos in English. If we made videos in English, YouTube will send our videos to all countries, which will lead to more views and money. Number two, make searchable content. If we create searchable content like how to do this or how to make this, then when people search for it, our videos will appear in front of them and we got views. Number 3, make tech videos. Guys, making tech videos attract more advertisers to run their ad on our video. So if we create tech related video, we will earn more money. Friends, that's all for today's video. If you want to monetize your channel, comment below and I'll make the next video. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.